Can I start by firstly welcoming everyone to this wonderful venue here on top of the most fantastic part of the most fantastic city in the most fantastic country in the world. So here we are in Braamfontein. Big cheer for Braamfontein. It was, in fact, in 1999, before the dreaded Y2K, that there was this big study that was actually done called the CITES, and it was to look at the South African IT industry. It was actually done through PwC Canada, and I'm in fact pleased to as well kind of say that tonight we've got someone here from the Canadian High Commission, so welcome to Greg. And it was to try and look at the future of the South African IT industry. And what the CITES report clearly concluded is that the South African IT industry had huge potential and was extremely important, but faced some huge challenges. And the huge challenges were skills, poor performance with respect to time, completing projects within budget of sufficient quality, the high cost and the kind of low speed of the country's internet compared to competitors, and poor representation within this software industry of previously disadvantaged people and women. And it was with these challenges in mind that we launched a joint venture in 2005, on the 15th of May 2005, between Wits and Joburg, and a number of partners. And it was launched 10 years ago, pretty much to the day. And we've achieved a lot. We've achieved really lots and lots in the past 10 years. But there's still lots to do. And in fact, many of the challenges that were listed then by CITES are still challenges. We still face expensive internet. We still face this important industry that is very underrepresented, especially in terms of there are very few women in the industry. We still have a skills issue. So there's still a lot that we have to do. And can I check if there are people here that have actually recently heard of someone called Chris Roberts? Who's heard of Chris Roberts? Anyone know? So this person, Chris Roberts, last week actually climbed into a plane. He kind of connected on the plane's Wi-Fi, and he hacked into the plane's controllers, and he started to turn the plane left and right from his seat. And scary thought, and it might be rubbish, it might be that he didn't really do it, but we are in fact living in this very scary world where a lot of the things we do are controlled by software, and it's more and more connected. And at the heart of it, we have to do it right. We have to apply good principles, good sturdy software engineering concepts to try to really kind of protect ourselves, our economy, and our countries. And I think that the purpose of this important project, which is actually JCSE, has not at all diminished. We've got a lot that we have to do in the next 10 years. But there are just two more things that I want to do. One is to just conclude with a big thank you. And we've kind of heard many thanks, and it's clearly a big thanks to my board, to the current chair, Mark, to the previous chair, Bulit Kuba, who unfortunately couldn't be with us this evening, to to our partners and supporters, to Wits University, and to our very small and very effective and very efficient and very effective team who runs the JCSE. So guys, really well done again for the incredible things you do. It's in fact amazing to think that we've achieved so much with so little. And if you compare this with many organizations that achieve so little with so much, I think we've done amazingly well. And I just appeal to everyone to please give us your support. We are raising money for the hub. We are kind of looking to support sponsored chairs in the hub where we will kind of give a chance to many more people to come in. And I think that the people who have benefited, our ex-Coach Labbers, our ex-CPD students, to as well think of maybe putting something back. You've kind of benefited, and make a contribution of your time or your money or something to put something back into the JCSE. The final thing is that we are about to launch, and we need a drum roll and a da-da. We've got our new 10-year annual review, which has just come out, hot off the presses. Nobody apart from me and a few people have seen it. And it's in fact a very clever thing. I just have to unpack it briefly. It, if I can do it, it turns into a stand for your iPad, and written inside and glued inside it, and you can unglue it, is this wonderful 10-year review. And you'll please read it and kind of pass it to your friends and colleagues, but it will tell you more about what we do. So really, thank you everyone, and have a good party.